everyone, welcome to my video tutorial on how to crochet the magic ring. You're going to need this quick and easy technique to start a lot of your amigurumi projects. For example, a lot that I've shown here actually have the magic ring as a starting point for many of the pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Loop the yarn end around your middle finger once. This is actually going to be your ring. Take your crochet hook, insert it into the ring, like so, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through that loop. That will kind of secure your ring and keep it from loosening. So I take it off my finger now. As you can see, we have this nice little ring to work out of, and you're going to follow instructions for the pattern. So in this case, I'm going to insert 6 single crochets in my magic ring. So hold on to the ring, make sure you don't let it unravel. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through to make your first single crochet. I'm going to do that again. So go into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's the second single crochet in my ring. And again, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth single crochet. After you do that, you're going to notice that your ring has this nice gap in it still, and we want to get rid of that. So take your yarn end and pull it tightly to tighten your ring. See how it shrunk down? That's going to be the inner circle for round 1, and now you're going to continue working around for round 2. So in these instructions that I have, I'm going to go ahead and increase in my next stitch. I'm actually going to increase around. So I'll just show you how to start off there. You're going to continue in that very first single crochet that you made. This one right here. So I'm going to insert my hook into the very first single crochet that I made and make a single crochet like so. I'll go back into that same single crochet to make another. That will be my increase, and then I'll work into the next one, the next stitch, and insert 2 single crochets for an increase, and so forth. So as you continue on, you'll notice that you have a little circle, and you're going to be working in a spiral manner all the way around. The magic ring is a great way to start off amigurumis because a lot of the patterns require you to make 3-dimensional objects worked in the round, in a spiral continuous round like so. And you can do it, use this starting point to make many different shapes, such as balls, cones, etc. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you have any suggestions on patterns or tutorials you'd like to see next, feel free to let me know, and I'd love to do that in my next video. Thank you for watching, and happy crocheting.